Here's another step I forgot to mention. Always make sure that all surfaces are clean, including these holes. So I like to come with a drill bit, just big enough. And you can see that on all the holes. Make sure they're all clean. So you can have a little bit in there. Because what happens if you don't do that, when you start tightening down the bolts, the block cracks from here because the silicone gets in here. So very important for those of you out there who ask about this. Let's continue.